Hi, welcome to the session. My name is Prakash, math tutor. Let's solve the question which I have written on the whiteboard. Given shopkeeper buys some books for 80 rupees. If he had bought 4 more books for the same amount, each book would have cost 1 rupee less. So we need to find the number of books he bought. Let x be the number of books he bought. Given the cost of some books, cost of number of books is 80 rupees. So cost of each book is 80 by x. X. If he had bought 4 more books for the same amount, then the equation becomes 80 by x plus 4, because the number of books becomes x plus 4 and the cost of each book becomes $80 by x plus 4. Also given, if he purchased 4 more books for same amount, each book cost is 1 rupee less. So we can write the equation as 80 divided by x minus 80 divided by x plus 4 equals to 1. Now solve for it. Take LCD and solve for x. LCD is x into x plus 4. Multiply and divide the first fraction by x plus 4 and multiply and divide the second fraction by x. So we'll get 80 into x plus 4 minus 80x divided by x into x minus x plus 4 equals to 1. Now distribute. We will get 80x plus 320 minus 80x equals to, if we move this x into x plus 4 to right hand side, we will get x into x plus 4. See here, 80x and minus 80x cancels out. We'll get 320 equals to, distribute x into x plus 4, we'll get x square minus x square plus 4x. So if we move 320 to right hand side, we will get x square plus 4x minus 320 equal to 0. So we got one quadratic equation. Now find the factors of this. Which of the two numbers add up to 4 and multiply up to minus 320? 20 and minus 16. So the factors are x minus 16 and x plus 20. So x values are x is equal to 16 and x is equal to minus 20. So we need to consider only positive value, which is x is equal to 16, and neglect negative value, which is x is equal to minus 20. So The number of books he bought are 30. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.